July 11, 2024. This one here I gotta go fix an outside shower that's dripping. And it's one of those, they're not really a legal type. They're not pressure balanced. They just got a handle on one side, handle on the other side. It's kind of like a rough outside shower unit. But anyway, I should be able to just take it apart and put new washers in there, I'm thinking. If not, I'll have to run out and get another kit, but... Alright, we've got a problem with this. I got the water off in the basement. I'm going to take these handles off and see if I can replace the washers. It kept dripping. There's a dripper. There's a leaker. We gotta get it off. I don't give you a lot of room, I'll tell you. I don't give you a lot of room in there. She's coming off, but she's not coming off easy. I think that's a Gerber or something. Sometimes you gotta work at both. Water should be off in the basement. Piece of metal in there. And there was a little piece of metal in there, so that thing wouldn't sit flush. It'll be fine now. It's like a piece of wood. There's a piece of metal in there. Son of a bitch. Put a new washer on that and it should be good. You can see where the made an indent. I'll find that piece of metal that I took out of there. It's a piece of wood. How did that get in there? Now you can take these washers, just flip them around. I just took the washer and I flipped it around because it really looks new. That's weird. And this she seemed a little loosey-goosey too there, Mama. An O-ring in there. See that O-ring? Looks okay. There's a leaker. Yeah, there was pieces of wood in there. This was really weird. This was really flipping weird. It's really flipping weird. You want to have this, when it's tight, you want to have it so it's, you know, it can go a little bit more, right? Like, as it wears in, the washer will go down more. I guess I could put it there. Weird. I'll take the other side out while I got it off and see what the hell's going on. See if that one's got any shit in there. Well, I got it off. There I should go. I'm gonna come up one more notch. Like that. And then, like I said, as you tighten it, you know, we'll keep going more and more. Yeah, pieces of wood in there. That's strange. Fucking nutty. Nutty as squirrel shit, mama. Nutty as squirrel shit. Nutty as squirrel shit on. Wood in there. That's what that is. No woody. Make sure that that screw's tight. This one's got like a back. Turn the water back on. That's really weird, man. That's really weird. Piece of wood. How the hell did that get in the water? Leaker. The leaker. I'll turn the water on. Alright, I got the water back on. I did change the shower. I did put a new shower head. This is the one that was a problem, was this side, because it had that piece of wood in there. I'm gonna tighten it up a little bit more on the top there, but that's all was in there. That's wood. I did tighten it up a little bit more, and it should do it. It's a good spray. Blow them into next week. Shut them off. We winterize these in the winter, summertime. We winterize it for the winter. That's it. Better now. That's a piece of wood. That's a piece of... That's what that is. That's not metal. It's wood. Really weird. I'll leave it right up on top there for the guy.